Hi. So today we're talking about employment contracts tracker and we're going to understand how you can keep track of all your employment contracts in one database in Notion. So first of all, let's have a look at the database at the bottom over here. So if you look at the database, we have a few fields available like the employee name, the employee email, the position, the start date, the contract length that is defined in months, the end date, the status, the salary and other details as you can find over here. This database is entirely customizable for your requirement, meaning you can make changes to this database as per your needs. But this is just a sample database put up for your use case. And if you scroll to the top, you can find the summary section on the top over here, which defines the active contracts, the contracts that are expiring soon, the already expired contracts, and the different types of contracts that are available, which have been fetched from the database over here. So under the active contracts, you can see that there's a status being put as active. So if you mark any of this contract to active status, it will be reflected over here in this particular window. Then there is expiring soon. This means the contract which are already in active state, but which end date is falling within this current month. So if you see one of the contracts is falling on April 30, 2025. So this is falling within the current month as on the date of recording today is 17th of April. So that's why it is showing under expiring soon window. Then we have expired contracts. This means the contracts whose status is already expired and whose end date was already before today's date. This will fall under expired contracts. And finally, we have the contract type, which defines different types of contracts as per the full time, part time, and contractual basis. So these are the different contract types we have, which can be used to see how we are doing in this contract situation. So these are a few different windows which have been attached for a use case. You can make more attachments over here and use the appropriate filters for the requirement, as well as you can modify the database that is available at the bottom for your needs and use case. So I hope this explanation was helpful to you. If you have any questions regarding this, please feel free to reach out to me at notion for my use @gmail.com. I also want to mention that you can also generate employment contract PDF documents directly from a website which is named as PDFOutput.com. So if you head over to PDFOutput.com, this requires simply a Google document which will serve as a template to generate the document, and a Google Sheet or a Notion database where you can store all the information related to the contracts, and you can generate the documents in bulk. You can follow the video that is attached over here or the instructions to help you out in this procedure. So that's it for this demonstration. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.